stop scrolling because this tiny device might completely change the way you clean your home forever. Have you ever imagined a robot vacuum plus mop plus sweeper that fits in your routine, plugs in via USB, and quietly handles daily dust, crumbs, and pet hair while you literally do nothing? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what the new USB sweeping robot vacuum cleaner mopping 3IN1150APA is trying to deliver. And today we're breaking down whether it actually lives up to the hype or just another TikTok gadget illusion. But here's the real question that keeps people watching. Can a small, affordable smart cleaner really replace your daily floor cleaning routine? Let's dive in. And trust me, you'll want to keep reading until the end. First impression. Wait, this is that small? The moment you see it, you get hit with another hook. It's compact, really compact. At first glance, you might think, no way this can clean anything serious. But then comes the twist. Inside that small frame is a 3-in-1 cleaning system, sweeping dust and crumbs, vacuum suction 1,500 pascals power, mopping function for light floor stains, and suddenly the curiosity kicks in. Okay, but how does something this small actually work in real life? The real magic: smart, simple, and surprisingly addictive. Here's where things get interesting. This device is designed for daily maintenance cleaning, not heavy industrial mess. And that's the hook most people miss. Because think about it. How often do you really deep clean your floors? But how often do crumbs, dust, hair, and dirt build up? That's where this little robot steps in. It quietly moves around your space like a mini cleaning assistant. Slides under furniture, works on hardwood, tiles, and smooth surfaces, keeps repeating cleaning cycles while you relax. And suddenly, you start thinking, wait, am I actually watching my future cleaning my house for me? Hook alert! The USB feature changes everything. Unlike expensive robotic vacuums, this one uses USB charging, making it extremely convenient. Plug it into laptop, power bank, wall adapter, car charger. That means no complicated docking station, no expensive battery system, no setup stress, just plug, charge, and clean. And here comes another hook. If it's this simple, why doesn't everyone already have one? Who is this really for? This is where people realize it's for them. You might be thinking it's just a gadget. But here's the twist. This is perfect for busy professionals, students in dorm rooms, pet owners dealing with daily hair, small apartments and offices, and suddenly it clicks. Oh, this might actually fit my lifestyle. Realistic expectation check, important hook that builds trust. Let's be honest, this isn't a $1,000 premium robot vacuum. So what does it do best? Daily dust removal, light debris cleaning, maintaining cleanliness between deep cleans. What it's not. Heavy carpet deep cleaning, large debris pickup, industrial level suction. Want to see IT in action? Words can only go so far. To see real demonstrations, cleaning tests, and full details, check the video link below. Because once you see it moving, everything suddenly makes more sense. Final verdict: worth IT or not? If you're expecting a full luxury robot vacuum replacement, this is not it. But if you want cheap daily cleaning support, a smart gadget for light maintenance, a time-saving mini helper, something satisfying and fun to use, then this device becomes surprisingly interesting. And that's the hook. It's not trying to replace everything, just your daily sweeping stress. Now your turn, high engagement section. Let's make this fun. Would you use a mini robot like this in your home or office? Or do you still trust the old school broom and mop? Comment your thoughts. I read every single one. And don't forget, like this if you found it interesting. Subscribe, it's free, for more smart gadget reviews like this. Share this with someone who always complains about cleaning their room. Because, let's be honest, if a $1,500 PA USB robot can handle your daily dust, are you really going to keep doing it manually forever?